Hello Internet, 51 Nappa here, and Merry Christmas. Recently I just got a present from my parents, and judging by what you're seeing here, it's a Lionel train set. And let me just show you, here is the Lionel logo here. I'm in control of a train. Let me just show you real quick. Here is the controller, obviously in the shape of a wheel. This button here, it's like for little radio communications. This is a signal crossing. This is for two different types of whistles. I'll show you what they each do when they get back here. Let's bring the train around, shall we? So here's the train. I know it's a 080, but this is the train that I got for Christmas. And boy, am I a happy little kid again, even though I'm in my 20s, but whatever. This is the engine that I got. Let me show you the little sounds it makes. The sounds are not actually coming from the engine, but they are coming from the tender.
Dispatcher here. Please hold for track orders. Over. Roger. Let me know when I can roll. Out. Dispatcher here. You are cleared outbound. Over. Thank you much. Cleared outbound. Out. Train is moving. Over. Roger that. Dispatcher out.
Real quick, let me just show you each of the freight cars that came with this set. This is the Union Pacific caboose, and if you look, there are lights in there. I think that's really cool, and the detail with Lionel is really impressive. Let me back up the train a bit.
Train is moving. Over. Roger that. Dispatcher out.
Here is the hopper. Bleh. I cannot English today. I'm just so happy that I have this train. So here is the hopper, and if I look in the bunker area, you can see that there's actually a detailed amount of coal in there, and I think that's really awesome. Let me show you the next freight car. You would not believe how much the cars go for these days. They cost like in the 40s, I think, like $40 to $48 or something, depending on the kind. This is the flatbed, actually, and if I bring it in, this is what goes on them. These little piggy cars or whatever. Let me put one on. They go like that, I believe. I know a lot of train people are like, oh, well, Nappa, if you do it this way, it's easier. Well, this is the way that I think it goes. I think they go on like that. Yes, there are two of them. Let me back up the train some more. This is the boxcar, and I think, if I look at it, Hydra cushion is like a padding that would be inside boxcars when they were out on the rails, and the door can be opened. You can put a bunch of stuff in there. You can put anything in it. Look at how big my hand is compared to the car. It's huge. This is an O-scale train. Back it up a little more. Here's the tender, and you're wondering why it's so loud. The speaker for all the noise is coming from underneath the tender. Let me do an overview. Here's what the top of the tender looks like. Again, if you're having trouble hearing me, it's just because that speaker is under the tender. And let's look at the engine one more time. So here is the engine again, and this engine is very well detailed. I love all the details that go into this. Let's see. We got the top here, and this funnel actually lets out smoke. So, and also the lights on in the front. The cab's got a couple of guys in it. There's a lot of nice little details to this train. Now, let's see it running around the track just a couple times. And again, Merry Christmas to everybody.
Dispatcher here. You are cleared outbound. Over. Thank you much. Cleared outbound. Out.
My shoes are there. Whatever. It's a model train. You weren't expecting it to be a real train, were you? Were you? Nah, I'm kidding.
Dispatcher here. Please hold for track orders. Over. Roger. Let me know when I can roll. Out. Dispatcher here. You are cleared outbound. Train is moving. Over. Roger that. Dispatcher out. Dispatcher here. Please hold for track orders. Over. Roger. Let me know when I can roll. Out. Dispatcher here. You are cleared outbound. Dispatcher here. Please hold for track orders. Over. Roger. Let me know when I can roll.